English is a new shade of life.
Hi. What's your name? Hi. What's your name?
My name is Nina. What's your name? My name is Nina. What's your name?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you, Nina. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you, Nina.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. Nice to meet you too, Alex.
How old are you, Nina? How old are you, Nina?
I'm 20 years old. And you? I'm 20 years old. And you?
I'm 21. I'm 21.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. What about you? I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from Italy. I'm from Italy.
Oh, Italy. That's a beautiful country. Oh, Italy. That's a beautiful country.
Thank you. Have you ever been to Italy? Thank you. Have you ever been to Italy?
Not yet, but I'd love to visit one day. Not yet, but I'd love to visit one day.
You should. The food is delicious. You should. The food is delicious.
I believe that. I love pizza and pasta. I believe that. I love pizza and pasta.
Haha, we have the best pizza in the world. Haha, we have the best pizza in the world.
I agree. What's your favorite food? I agree. What's your favorite food?
I like lasagna. And you? I like lasagna. And you?
I like sushi. I like sushi.
Do you cook? Do you cook?
Sometimes. I can make eggs and sandwiches. Sometimes. I can make eggs and sandwiches.
That's good. I like cooking with my mom. That's good. I like cooking with my mom.
Nice. Do you live with your family? Nice. Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents and my brother. Yes, I live with my parents and my brother.
Oh, I see. I live alone in a small apartment. Oh, I see. I live alone in a small apartment.
Really? Is it hard? Really? Is it hard?
A little, but I like it. It's quiet. A little, but I like it. It's quiet.
What do you do, Alex? What do you do, Alex?
I'm a student. I study English. I'm a student. I study English.
Me too. I study English every day. Me too. I study English every day.
Great. Do you watch movies in English? Great. Do you watch movies in English?
Yes, I watch cartoons and short videos. Yes, I watch cartoons and short videos.
That helps a lot. I watch the news in YouTube. That helps a lot. I watch the news in YouTube.
Nice. How long have you studied English? Nice. How long have you studied English?
For 2 years. And you? For 2 years. And you?
About 1 year. About 1 year.
Your English is really good. Your English is really good.
Thank you. You speak clearly too. Thank you. You speak clearly too.
Do you enjoy learning English? Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I do. It's fun. What about you? Yes, I do. It's fun. What about you?
I like it too, especially watching movies in English. I like it too, especially watching movies in English.
Me too. I watch cartoons. Me too. I watch cartoons.
That's a good way to practice. Do you also read books in English? That's a good way to practice. Do you also read books in English?
Sometimes I read short stories. Sometimes I read short stories.
That's great. Do you have a favorite English book? That's great. Do you have a favorite English book?
Yes, I like Harry Potter. And you? Yes, I like Harry Potter. And you?
I like The Little Prince. It's easy to understand. I like The Little Prince. It's easy to understand.
Do you speak English with your friends? Do you speak English with your friends?
Not often, but I try when I can. How about you? Not often, but I try when I can. How about you?
Sometimes with my classmates. It helps me improve. Sometimes with my classmates. It helps me improve.
Thanks, Nina. It was nice talking to you. Thanks, Nina. It was nice talking to you.
Same here, Alex. See you tomorrow. Same here, Alex. See you tomorrow.
See you, Nina. Have a great day. See you, Nina. Have a great day.